Okay, so a lot of you have been writing me about updates on how my stroke's going. Well, arm's going pretty good. I can touch myself purposely. The fingers are starting to move, and just very little bit, but each of the fingers are moving, and that's a good sign. The arm wants to work. So it's all coming back. The walking's doing good. The talking's doing better. The mind's doing better. My hat's a little bit loose because I've been losing weight, so that's a good sign. So if you see my hat look a little funky, it's because my head is shrinking. Can your head even shrink? All right, anyway, everything's going good with the stroke. My arm is wanting to be straight. It's wanting to grab things again. So we're doing good. It's all going good thanks to your prayers. And I just thank you guys so much for all your love and consideration. Man, there has been like better than average comments on YouTube since the stroke. And I just want to thank you for caring about me. Okay, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is dull this blade. We bought this as this is Farberware. It's like the cheapest knife you could ever get for like $5. So we got a cheap knife, but it's not dull enough yet. We're going to take this. Look at this. Look, I can hold it with my hand. I can put it in my hand and I can hold it. Hold on a minute. Ugh. There you go. See? I'm swinging a knife with my bad arm. That's just scary. I know you guys are freaking out. So we're going to bang it with a hammer. We're going to take the edge off it, make it really dull, and then we're going to use the Bavarian edge from bulb head to sharpen it. There. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tap gently to take the edge off. With a hammer, we thought that would flatten the blade. We didn't know how else to do it. If you guys know how to deaden the blade, let me know. Okay, here we go. Let's try it now that I've banged the blade and got it really dull. Let's try cutting. It just doesn't cut. That's one cut. Yeah. Okay, so my wife is going to help me out here so I don't cut myself and sharpen it right through the X's. She's going to come right down the middle. Only one way you can do it. All right, we've put the blade back on with the Bavarian edge. Let's give it a try. Here we go. Look at that. Look how thin I'm slicing. Whoops. Don't want to go too thin. The blade is back on this knife. My wife has been hammering me to sharpen the blades on this set of scissors that we use in our kitchen. All right, let her sharpen her scissors. Cutting better?
Mm-hmm. Much better.
Much better?
Much better.
So you can see a difference, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it sharpens scissors too. We just found that out. I just wanted to throw that in and let you know that knives and scissors and shears in the kitchen you can use on the Bavarian edge. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.